Today I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted followers on your Facebook business page. This is a useful tool for maintaining a quality audience and protecting your page from spam accounts or inappropriate followers. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to facebook.com. Once you're there, log into your Facebook business account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. Take a moment to look at the left navigation menu where you'll find various shortcuts and quick links. Locate your Facebook business page in this menu. It's typically listed under your shortcuts section, and click on it to access your page management area. Once you click on your business page, you'll be redirected to your Facebook management page. This is your central hub for controlling all aspects of your business presence on Facebook. Here you'll see an action menu with several options for managing different elements of your page. Look for the option labeled Followers and click on it. This section gives you complete oversight of everyone who follows your business page, allowing you to monitor and manage your audience effectively. Clicking on Followers will take you to your followers list page. This is where you can see a comprehensive view of everyone who's chosen to follow your business. Now comes the important part, identifying and removing the unwanted followers. Scroll through the list and look for the profiles you wish to remove from your follower base. These might be spam accounts, inappropriate profiles, or simply followers who don't align with your business values. For each profile you want to remove, look to the right side of their name where you'll find a three-dot icon. Click on this icon and a small options window will pop up. From the options presented, click on Block. This action prevents them from continuing to follow or interact with your page. After clicking Block, Facebook will display a confirmation window to ensure you want to proceed with this action. In this window, you'll see a radio button labeled Ban next to the person's name. Click on this Ban Radio button to select it. This step confirms that you want to completely remove this person's access to your page. Once you've selected the ban option, click on Confirm to finalize the removal. The system will process your request and immediately remove that follower from your page, preventing them from seeing your content or interacting with your business moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully removed unwanted followers from your Facebook business page, helping you maintain a cleaner, more engaged audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.